FutureMakers.
Let's make art machines. In this FutureMakers Spark, your learners will get hands-on with simple and compound machines. They'll design, build, test, and improve a system of levers and fulcra that becomes a unique kinetic sculpture. Here's what each learner receives to make an art machine. A sheet of cardboard levers. A set of fasteners. We'll call these our fulcra. One sheet of sticky strips. A cardboard rectangle. A visual guide. And a reusable, reclosable bag. Your learners will need scissors, pencils, and markers. We encourage you to print creature feature design sheets so learners can sketch their ideas before using cardboard. These are available online and in the Art Machine slide deck. For extensions, consider having tape, scrap cardboard, craft paper, and other classroom art supplies. To start, we'll create a compound machine from 6 levers and fulcra. Remove all your cardboard levers from the sheet. Connect 2 levers by using a fulcrum to create an X-shaped set. The fasteners might be new to your learners. Here's how to demonstrate using them. Overlap 2 holes where you want to put your fulcrum. Put in the fulcrum. Separate the fasteners 2 metal parts and press them flat to connect the levers. Then give it a test. Repeat until you have 3 X-shaped sets. Now, attach 2 sets together. Find where you can overlap and connect them. Encourage learners to add 1 set at a time and test it as they go. Add the final set, and you'll have turned many simple machines into a compound machine. They will have an extra fastener left over. Here's where your learners' creativity comes into play. Encourage your learners to think about their design and sketch with pencil first. They can practice with a design sheet before making their features out of cardboard. To start out, we'll follow the example in the printed guide. A face with a big set of eyes and a mouth. Add any feature that you want, but be sure to keep them simple so your learners can be more creative than you. It's essential to have a design that allows the cardboard to be separated into 2 pieces, a top and bottom. See how we draw the mouth all the way across? It makes it easy to create 2 separate parts. Just in case, have some extra cardboard scraps or heavy paper handy for those who might need another try. Carefully cut along the line that separates the parts. Once your design is cut and complete, make it move. Flip your design over so the back is facing upward and align it back together. Stretch your machine out and lay one end over the back of your design. Attach the top lever to the top part with a sticky strip. You can tear and use small pieces if you want. Press on the sticky strips to make them hold tight. Then, attach the bottom to the other lever. Now, test it. Art machines are compound machines made of a system of connected, simple machines. Cardboard levers and fulcra. Scissors are easy to demonstrate in any classroom. They're basically 2 knives connected by a fulcrum. When it moves as a system, they become a compound machine that makes cutting easier. Assembling art machines might be challenging for young learners. Ask them questions before offering fixes. Point out what you see and ask what they think might be causing the challenge. Invite other learners to help support. Peer support builds confidence and creativity. Avoid getting hands-on or fixing their project unless it's necessary. The reclosable bag is made for learners to store projects in process or take home their finished creation. Remind them from the start that this project will belong to them when they're done. Some common challenges learners can help each other solve include: lay the machine flat. Press on each fulcrum so it squeezes tight. Then try it and see if it made a difference. If a feature is floppy, adjust it. Ask, where can we add more adhesive? Encourage learners to press firmly to make sure it sticks. If learners have used all of their strips, regular tape works just as well. If a machine isn't moving, its parts might be stuck together. Check that the top and the bottom are separated. Since this is a STEAM challenge, learners share the experience of engineering compound machines and then improve them by creating a design that's different than everyone else's. Use the extensions included in the coaching guide to explore characters and storytelling for different grade levels and ages. Learners can reuse their levers and fulcra. You'll need to provide additional cardboard or heavy paper for these extensions. What is hiding behind those features? Is it a tongue, teeth, or another creature? Design hands or claws that pick up and hold. Work in pairs to pass a small object using only your art machines. Try redesigning the machine so it can be moved from the middle and has features on both ends, like hands that clap or wings that flap. Congratulations on creating your art machine. Every spark your learners make is unique and theirs to keep. They'll remember your project for years to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Future